If you are trying to put the linkage piece back in your ME Super, here's how you do it. First, you want to make sure that your shutter is advanced, and you can do that by simply pulling on this tab. And then from there, this piece slots right back into here. The first thing you want to be on the lookout for is this piece here. You want to make sure that it is sitting on inside of this mechanism here. You might have to reach down with a small flathead screwdriver, set screwdriver, and just kind of kick that out just to make sure. Now you want to make sure that this brass washer is here because it makes the fitting nice and snug. Screw it back in. Bigger kind of fat screw, and that goes up in the front here. Smaller and a flat screw, and that's going to sit here. This tall screw that sits right there. You want to make sure that you have your cover for the power winder contacts and the cover for the rewind lever. Bottom plate on, 3 screws, just like that, and you should be good to go.